Are you looking for a way to get customers for free? Then this video is for you. Hey everybody, welcome back to Affiliate 101. Today we're going to learn how you can make $500 a week with TikTok affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Before you even create a TikTok account, there's one thing that you have to know. And that is, who should you be marketing to? Who is your audience? This may be, perhaps, one of the most important questions when it comes to making money. Knowing who your target market is important to any company because without customers, you have no business. Even with the best website, the best product, or both, you won't make any revenue without proper marketing. Once you figure out who your audience is, you have to figure out where your audience is online. What social media platform do they prefer? Younger audiences tend to gravitate towards apps like Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram, while older generations prefer apps like Facebook. No one social platform is exclusive to an age group, but narrowing it down to a couple of platforms can drastically increase your conversions. If your product was geared toward Gen Z and below, then you're in the right place. Step 1. Create a TikTok account. Make sure to create a business account. Pro tip: avoid having multiple accounts on one device, or even switching between a business account and a personal account. This could get you shadow banned. What is a shadow ban? The practice of fully or partially blocking a creator's content from reaching viewers. So let's talk about why this is bad news for new creators. If you get shadow banned, you won't be able to reach the TikTok algorithm and build your audience. Therefore, you wouldn't be making any money as an affiliate, and we definitely do not want that. Step 2. Complete your bio and add a profile pic. Make sure your brand represents whatever it is that you decide to sell. For example, if you decide to sell cookbooks, then maybe do short TikToks around different kinds of recipes or whatever you may choose. Always make sure your content is related to a certain theme and stay consistent in what you post. Your bio should be simple and only around 1 to 2 sentences. The reason for keeping the bio short and simple is because you don't want to take the attention off of your website, which will be in the link below. We recommend posting 3 to 4 times per day for the best results. Step 3. Use appropriate hashtags. There are a couple ways you can go about this. The easiest way that we recommend here is to take a look at what your competitors are doing. You should definitely check out their most viewed videos. Are there certain hashtags that do well in your niche? How many hashtags are they normally using? Are they using the same hashtags for each video? Make sure to write a small list of similarities that all of the well-established brands in your industry have in common. Step 4. Post at specific times. From research on several blogs and several experts, the best times of day to post are in the mornings from 7 to 9, midday from 1 to 4, and at night between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. Depending on your niche, you will need to test the steps we've listed here from the bio to the post frequency. Make sure to do a little bit of competitor research to make sure you are modeling after what is working. If you would like us to donate an entire video to competitive research, make sure to like this video and comment below. We hope this video helped you a ton. If you enjoyed that, you'll love these videos as well. Cheers.